What's going on, guys? It's Backroads. It is time for another unboxing, another review. We're going to give it a shot because I had to go get a new set of speakers because my kid stole mine. Anywho, let's get right into it. Okay, so here we have Logitech Z313 50-watt speaker. Like 40 bucks at Walmart. It's got two satellite speakers, a little dongle, and a subwoofer. So, let's dig into it. Alright, so here we go. Let's go ahead and tear this bad boy apart. So, maybe. All right, here we go. There's the subwoofer. This satellite speakers, and there's that. Okay, so we got all the goodies out. So don't mind the mess. This is, you know, kind of my studios and whatnots here. And okay, here we go. So here's what we're looking at. So on the back of this beautiful little subwoofer, what are we looking at? We're looking at about 8, just short of 10 inches from here to here, about 10 inches, top to bottom, about 10 inches, and then about 6 inches wide. So on the front, it's got the Logitech thing, kind of looks like a camera. On the back, you got the model number, the goodies, the speaker outputs, and the cable stuff. So, tear into the cable stuffs. All right. A lot of bread ties. Interestingly enough, they put bubble wrap around the base of the power cord, and it's just kind of really doesn't do anything. I don't think. I don't know. Maybe I'm just stupid. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah. So there's that. Okay. So technical difficulties. You know what? We'll cut it off later. Okay. So there's your power cord. Simple 2-prong, nothing super fancy. Does its job. You have your 3.5mm jack, which you would plug into your PC. And then you got the dongle. I like that word, dongle. Okay, probably gonna have technical difficulties with this one too. I don't have my knife out here, and really, by not having my knife, can't cut this like tape-like substance they have. Wait, snaggletooth this stuff. You know what I mean? Anywho, all right. There's that thing gone out of the way. Here's your dongle. On your dongle, you have a headphone outlet, a power button, and a volume button. Okay, so there's that stuff. All right, so that's that. We'll move him out of the way. There. Out of the way. All right, so let's not roll over the brand new cords. Next, you have your little satellite speakers. Each one comes beautifully wrapped, individually wrapped, with the little thingy here. So that's gone. Okay, let's pull these bad boys out. These come out much easier. There you go. 2 little satellite speakers. Just at a glance, I would say that the cable is annoying. Okay, here we go. So, cable stretches out. I'm going to go with a little over 6 feet long. This is the adjoining portion here at the end. I'm assuming this is what you're going to plug into. Hopefully you can see it. like that, right there. That. I'm assuming this is what you're going to plug into the subwoofer. So let's go ahead. We'll pause the recording. We'll get this plugged in. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. So it is hooked up. Everything is running smoothly. I would love to play some audio on it. The subwoofer is not massive. It does run with my mix amp very nicely. It does take a little bit of finagling properly, but all in all, from what I can tell right now, it does look nice. It sounds nice. I don't think I have a problem with it. So as it stands for right now, Logitech Z313, this thing right here, has the backroad seal of approval. I really like it. So that being said, guys, that's it for this one.